Hey, welcome to the channel. Excuse me. Hey, if you've been following along, my last video that I put up was about how this RoyPow battery would not fit onto the mounts that they send with it because of an upgraded battery that's about 5 inches longer from this end to this end than the other ones. My solution was, if you look right down in here, maybe I'll get on the other side, you get a better shot of it. Or you can go back and look at the other video. But what I did was I got these aluminum angle irons and I drilled and screwed these into the mounts that came with it. Set the battery down in, I marked the holes, drilled the holes, and bolted the battery in. Alright, so as you can see, we're charging. We're just about full charge now. The battery's bolted in, it fits great. I had to make these modifications so that I could bolt it in, because literally this battery is 5 inches wider than I guess the previous battery that they send to you. So I had to do some modifications. According to the company that I bought it from, there is no new mounts yet. They're working on them or what have you. I wasn't willing to wait. So anyways, the battery's in, all the wiring's hooked up. I've got the brake resistor put in back here. I'm going to go ahead and make me a plate to put back here to help with some water splashing up in and everything like that. But I wanted to throw this up here just so everybody could see that these aluminum angle irons worked out great. They're 2 inches by 3 inches, drilled, bolted them in, drilled, bolted the battery down, ran the rest of the wiring, got everything plugged in, and it works out great. So if this helps you out at all, please like it, share it, subscribe to the channel. Also, if you're not getting enough information here, go back and check out the video prior to this, before the battery is actually set in place, and it will kind of give you a better idea of how I did these mounts. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you next time.